everyone, welcome to What Jill Wears, where I do unboxings. And today I have not only Izzy, say hi, say hi, say hi, but I also have a Fashom unboxing. So my last few Fashoms have gotten better. The last one I got, I really liked everything and I thought I was going to keep a bunch of stuff, but I ended up sending the whole thing back because my husband wasn't super crazy about them and she's ready to play. And I wasn't crazy about the materials of the shirts. So I was worried about having sweat stains or them wrinkling or whatnot. So if I'm not like 100% on something, I don't keep it. So let's see what's in here. Here is the colorful bundle. I did, yes, tell her I wanted color this time. We're getting into spring and summer. And who doesn't want color? This is an envelope to send everything back that you do not want. Everyone's hope is always that you keep everything though, right? I've never had a 5 for 5 that I have kept for myself. I have kept 5 for 5, but I have sold a few pieces in it just to get the discount. So we'll see. I'd love to keep something all just for me. That'd be cool. All right, so we will go over pricing at the end, but I am gonna read the note. And it says, "Hi Jill, welcome back to Styling with Fashom, and thank you for choosing me to style you again. In this box, I have selected an outfit for you consisting of fun and trendy clothing items that will be great new additions to your spring wardrobe. I hope you enjoy my picks. Your stylist, Morgan." All right, let's dive in. Love all this color. So I told her the last time she sent me a pair of very light colored Articles of Society jeans, and where I love the fit, I have already had a pair of light colored jeans. They were a little bit lighter than my other ones, but I don't know. I still was kind of like this on them. So this time she sent me green, like mint green. These are so fun. I can't wait to put these on and see what they look like. I've also been looking for a pair of dark paired skinny jeans that have distressing, because all I have are like a mid wash or like a medium wash. So these are from Just USA, and they have just the knees and a little bit up at the top, and they're nice and stretchy and mid-rise, and they look good. Next is a top by Staccato. I thought this was very interesting. So it's a larger oversized fit, V-neck. The colors are nice. So I'm very curious to see what this looks like on. And then we have a shirt by Ivory. This is like a aqua teal color. Has this embroidery at the top that is gray and cream on the picture. So with Fashom, you get to go on their app or their website, and you actually get to choose, I think there's like 7 or 8 things that they initially choose for you, and you get to pick 5 for them to send you. And the picture showed this tied at the bottom, but it did have a little disclaimer at the end that said, this does not come tied, it's just showing a way you can style it. So I'll probably do that like both ways for you. And lastly is this little kind of orangey red polka dot tank. So that's super cute. V-neck, it's kind of swingy. So yeah, let's try on. All right, here's the first outfit. So this oversized top, these jeans. So here the top is like this. It's sort of a dolman sleeve. And then we'll do the Jill tuck. That's what I'm gonna call it, because that's what I do every video. So, I don't know. I don't know what I think of this top. It's very like light and breathable feeling and airy. I do love these jeans though. These jeans are great. Yeah, these jeans are awesome. Let's do like a side tie. Are you watching, Muse? Hi. You miss Mom today? So yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this top. It's very different. All right, let's do the next top. Okay, here is the polka dot top. It fits really good. Armholes are good. A little bit longer in the back. Very small round hem. We'll do the tuck. I like it. I think I would like it better if it were a little more fitted, but maybe this tie will do it. I like the colors. I don't know. It fits. Just don't know if it's super duper flattering. Like it makes me look a little wide. All right, next. All right, so this might be a lot of blue. I don't know what I think about these pants. I feel like they're sort of painted on. So I don't feel like they're see-through. They do not have front pockets. They do have back pockets. Sorry, barking dog. Okay, so a lot of green going on here, back pockets. I do have them rolled up. But I feel like because I'm larger around here, it's not the most flattering with this color. And I don't know what I think of this top either. So it showed it tied in the front. color's pretty. I like this embroidery detail at the top. But I don't know if it's a Jill shirt. I don't know if it's quite me. All right, let's do a recap. That was pretty fun. I love all the colors. Don't love the fits on some of them, but I did love those jeans. Like, I really love those jeans. So those are probably a for sure keeper. So let's go over prices. The Articles of Society Sarah Ankle Skinny Pant. These guys. I love this color. I'm gonna try these on again with a bigger mirror and kind of see what I think in a bigger version of me instead of a little bitty camera. Love this color. These would be great for summer. They're super soft. I didn't think that they were see-through. Tell me if you saw something different, but I can't stop touching them. They're so soft. And I love that color. So $73. If you buy 3 or more, you get 25% off. So, you know, could factor into that. The Ivory Cupro Aztec embroidered top is $38. That's this guy. I think the color is pretty. I really like the embroidery, but I feel like this was a bit boxy and too flowy on me and made me look a lot whiter than I am. So this guy's for sure gonna go back. Next is the Staccato V-neck drop shoulder trim detail top, and this is $38. I kind of like this. It's like a crepey feel to it. It's very lightweight and flowy. It would look super cute, I think, with just like dark denim, like cutoff short. So I'm gonna try it on with some shorts like that and see what I think, but this is a maybe for sure. $38, not bad. And then this guy, Freeloader polka dot tank tunic, $35. I love the colors in this. Again, I'm gonna have to see it bigger. I'm not sure about the fit of it. Maybe tucked in or maybe with shorts. I don't know. We'll see. It is soft. Everything's soft. Like my stylists are getting to know me that if it ain't soft, don't send it. The jeans. Just USA minimal distressed mid skinny pant, $40. $40. Yes. Score. These are so soft too, and perfect amount of distressing. Like, look at the little ends. Just like really minimal. Yeah, these are great. So these are keepers for sure. So everything together was $224. 25% discount is $56. So if I bought all 5 pieces, it would be $168. But I am not doing that. So I already calculated. And if I were to purchase these 3 items, so the 2 tops and the jeans, would be $113, 25% off, $84.75. And then I thought, if I do end up liking the Articles of Society jeans, and I have some cute things to wear with it, maybe I would keep the 2 jeans and the top, this top. And that would be $151 with the 25% off discount. It would be $113.25. But because you guys are so awesome, and have been clicking on my referral link, thank you so much. I can get all this for free, which is insane. I've never been able to say that about a box. But enough of you have been curious about Fashom, which I don't blame you because they have awesome prices and quality clothing, and I'm really enjoying them. Very different stuff, like unique stuff that you don't see anywhere else, which is what I personally am looking for my closet. Colors, soft jeans, good. So If you would like to try Fashom, you can subscribe to my channel and click on my referral link, or you can just go to fashom.com or download the app and just go to it normally without the referral link, and you won't break my heart. But I do appreciate it. So if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up, and I will see you at my next unboxing, which will probably be my Stitch Fix, I think on the 15th. So we'll see you guys then.